And this video essentially is where I picked up a donor DMG. So I picked up my donor from Violet's Video Games and More on eBay to replace the CPU and a Super Game Boy from Japan to install in the donor board. This one came with a battery door cover, which is great since it should match the shell cover. Battery contacts could use some cleaning, so I will definitely start there. This is a working unit with some screen issues. Looks like on the bottom there's no video. Buttons were a little tough to input, but still worked to a degree. I was very surprised for the lack of corrosion. Great board for my SGB CPU upgrade. Using Chip Quick, I got the donor CPU off, cleaned the legs, and chipped completely with some IPA. Then moved on to removing the fried CPU and seating the donor CPU in place. Soldering the LCD back onto the LCD board, and everything looks to perform as expected. I also upgraded all the capacitors just for longevity. Now I know that this works, I will be installing a new lens on it to complete this project. I will use IPA to soak the crusty glue and an X-Acto knife to etch off as much as I can. Then use a Sharpie to go around the inside screen border for a better viewing experience before committing the lens to the shell. So, how did I do? Yay or nay? Let me know it. Next, we will be harvesting the Super Game Boy CPU for the other DMG and preparing that for its next phase in life. Thank you for watching. This video has been thrown together with little direction and has included a lot of harvesting and piecing together to accomplish 2 DMGs. Next video, I will be installing the new guts in a Play It Loud black shell, RGB backlighting, power regulator, Pro Sound mod, etc. I also have a Game Boy Advance repair upgrade coming soon. I hope to refine my process to a more suitable situation, but for now this is what it is, and hope you'll consider subscribing and giving a like. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.